So even though the quad's not all done, we're going to take it out for a quick rip today. See how this thing runs. That way if I have to do anything else to it, I can before I take it on a full trail ride. I'm just going for about a half hour or so. Run this around the woods, but I have my chest mount on. So I'll record everything riding this around and we'll see how this thing runs. for a first ride. That pretty much wraps that up. Hopefully I got some decent footage of this. It's really hot out. Jetting is off. You can hear when I like slam on the throttle, it wants to dog out, which is something to do with pilot jet or something. Main might be good. I'll check my plug and all that stuff, but it runs good. Everything seems to be good. I'll look it all over when I get home, check my oil, do an oil change, check the filter. Pretty happy with this quad. I don't like the way the CT exhaust sounds. Just sounds kind of like empty, hollow space. I don't like it. I'm gonna change it. Hopefully I can keep the header, but quad runs good. I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna have to change it to a bigger sprocket in the front or a smaller in the rear. I top out way too quick, especially for the kind of trail riding we do. I'll be 5th gear pinned the whole time, so I don't want to blow it up again. I'll just change the gearing and have it geared a little different. But that pretty much sums up the episode for this. If you watch, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and thanks.